The LEUCO UniType combines upcutting and downcutting PCT flutes in one tool. Every flute has a different cutting angle which allows the tool to run smoothly through the materials without causing vibration. The flutes are equipped with chip breakers which reduce cutting forces during milling. Therefore, a smooth cutting behavior and an increase of the tool lifetime are affected. Big chip spaces let the operator realize high feed rates to shape an economical milling process. The LEUCO UniType was designed as an all-rounder. Nearly every operation from grooving to dividing cuts can be realized. With the neutral design, complex 3D-shaped milling contours can be easily managed without causing vibrations or any bad conditions during machining. No matter if thin or thick composite parts, the UniType is your universal solution.